Hey guys, this is for you guys out there with the older caravans and even the newer ones. This kit is for my 1993 Plymouth Voyager. This replaces the stock belt. You get 2 new pulleys, get a double-sided belt here, and it replaces this. I was having issues with it throwing the belt in the rain, hit a mud puddle, or I just plain throw the belt for no reason. There's an alignment issue on these. So they did a update. Now, since my tensioner's good, and yes, it is the same tensioner, you just have to buy 1, 2, this, and that'll fix your problem. All right, guys. Now, here you guys go. There's that. It takes a 15 millimeter, and the other one is hidden right there. So if you're looking at your 3.3 from this angle, straight down, 15 millimeter, you can reuse the same bolts. You don't need to buy that kit unless you have to. The tensioners are exactly the same. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the belt on. And there we go. Just 2 pulleys and a belt.